In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer from credit card to credit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you want to transfer money from a credit card to another credit card, you are most likely referring to what is known as a balance transfer. So, a balance transfer is a common financial tool designed to help you manage and potentially reduce the cost of existing credit card debt. So, I'm going to give you details on how this balance transfer typically works and what you need to know about the charges involved. So this will allow you to move the debt from one or more existing cards to another that you recently applied for, and you can look for cards that have more favorable terms. So many balance transfer cards offer a 0% introductory APR, so annual percentage rate, for a specific period like 6 months, a year, and 6 months, 2 years, and so on. This means that you pay no interest on the transferred balance during that time. So consolidating multiple credit card debts onto a single card can make it easier to manage your payments and track your steps. So the very first thing that you should do is look for a balance transfer card. As an example, in this video, I chose the Tesco Bank Club Card Credit Card. As you can see, they have plenty of options for balance transfer credit cards. These can also be used for purchases, but like I said before, the main thing for this video is going to be the balance transfer feature. And of course, there are multiple other different cards. I chose the Tesco Bank as an example, but you can choose any other one that you prefer. As long as it has a 0% introductory APR, you will be able to check the balance transfer fee period and initiate this. So all that you have to do is apply for this particular card or any other one of your choosing. You will have to request the transfer, so this is a process that will be done in conjunction with the card issuer. So for example, if I applied here for the Tesco Bank card, they would offer me the option to initiate this transfer. And all that I would have to do is to provide the details about my other bank and card issuer. With those details provided, they would work on this and all of the debt would be transferred over to this new Tesco Bank card. Sadly, because this requires a lot of time and personal information, I cannot go over the whole process in this video, but it's as simple as applying for a new 0% interest APR card and then going through with the process with the card issuer. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer from credit card to credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.